Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In the last 24 hours, we have witnessed a crash in Bitcoin, with significant liquidations pushing prices back to levels unseen in nearly a week. We were not able to hold the 62,500 levels, as mentioned in my last video. In the crypto world, 9 days can feel like an eternity. While this scenario might hint at a worst-case outcome, let's take a step back and analyze through the lens of past market cycles. Reflecting on Monday's 12-hour and daily closes, they were robust, though they didn't forecast this sharp decline. It's not just a fake-out. As long as Bitcoin trades below the 21 daily exponential moving average, hovering just under $61,000, vigilance is key. Today might not see much action. I anticipate Bitcoin and the crypto market at large will remain in a holding pattern until around September, when the rate cuts will be announced, potentially marking a pivot point. Historically, Wednesdays have a slight edge over Tuesdays for positive closures, with over 41% closing in the green since 2024 began. Yet, when they turn red, the average loss is just shy of 2%. Today, this could mean Bitcoin might revisit yesterday's low of $58,000 or aim for a modest gain towards $61,500. Short-term, expect Bitcoin to test yesterday's lows but likely hold or slightly recover. We're still navigating within a defined range, with no significant shifts on higher timeframes. The 5-day wave trend momentum just printed a red dot, which could mean further downside. Higher timeframes like the weekly are still more bullish. As long as Bitcoin holds above $58,000, I'm optimistic about a bullish setup long-term. However, a close below $57,000 would be concerning, suggesting potential for lower lows. To wrap up, this pullback, though sharp, doesn't signal major alarms. We're in a waiting game until mid to late September. I'd caution against excessive bearishness unless Bitcoin decisively drops below $57,000. If this analysis was helpful, consider supporting the channel by giving a thumbs up, subscribing if you're new here, and turning on notifications so you never miss our latest updates. And see you in the next one.